Welcome to Cooking with Nona and her sweet peas.
And I'm Nona.
And I'm Chef Piper. And I'm Chef Pierce.
And we're making
Lemon bars. Okay, now I'm going to turn the oven on at 350. Piper and Pierce are going to baste the pan together. Here's your brush, Pierce. Now get it covered all up. Remember, Piper, you did this before. Good job.
Some soda, sugar, and it won't stick.
Good job.
2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Yeah.
Put it in there, Piper. There. Pierce, you put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Pour it in there. And we're going to stir it a little bit. Mix it up real good. You have a fork, and you have a fork. Stir it up, Piper. And let's save our tasting to after we get it all cooked, okay?
Okay, it tastes good. It has,
Okay, good.
it has sugar and it tastes good.
Tastes good. Okay. All right. Let's cut the butter in. Take your fork, and I will show you, and then you cut the butter in. Okay. I'll put the butter. Good job. Pour it in. You get the butter in there. You almost got it ready. Mix a little bit more of the flour in there, and then we can stick it in the pan.
Yeah.
Both are doing fine. Now the oven just told us it's 350 degrees. So we're gonna bake this for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So it's, you crack 2 and Piper crack 2. All right, that's good job.
Okay. Stir it. Oh, yeah.
All right, good job. Chef Piper giving Chef Pierce some pointers here. Now let Piper, you pour the egg in the bowl and Pierce pour the sugar in.
Okay.
Combine the
This is
sugar.
the little one.
Yeah, combine the sugar and the egg. Put the lemon in there. Turn it around. You're doing a good job. Okay, now Pierce, you can put the milk in. Keep it in the bowl.
Okay.
Very good. Now let's take the spatula and clean the milk out.
Hey.
There. Scrape it in there. Good job. Okay, now we wait for the food for the buzzer.
I say we put this powdered sugar on it to cool off.
Lemon bar, Piper.
Good.
What does it taste like?
Candy. Mine tastes like candy bar. Mine tastes like
Let me see you eat it.
Give me, but I didn't
You need a fork?
need to flip it over
Flip it over. Why?
because I don't like it over.
Is that good?
Huh?
Are you happy with your creation?